We're going to focus on the individual body first, and then we'll talk about our collective bodies, our communities, because everything works reciprocally. So, what is the stress response? These are some features to highlight. Stress is normal. It is a normal domino effect. Let me move this so I can see my own slides. It is a normal domino effect of mental, physical, and behavioral reactions. There is good stress. This addresses the chat immediately. There's good stress and there's bad stress. Good stress is when we experience something that we consider a challenge, where we can rise to the challenge. Good stress is called eustress, E-U-S-T-R-E-S-S. And then there's bad stress, which we're all familiar with. And that's where we kind of feel like something has become compromised. And when the stress response lasts too long, or when we don't know how to turn it off, we experience what's called chronic stress. Something to highlight here is that in the structure of the brain, we have the amygdala, which is essentially our fear and threat center. When the amygdala gets activated, it shuts off access to our prefrontal cortex, which is the thinking and processing part of our brain. And so we end up simply reacting depending on the size of a perceived threat. And why would I say the threat is perceived? Well, that's because your brain can't actually tell the difference between someone is attacking me and I'm attacking myself.